It's 5 in the morning. Today I am going to visit Swami Bodhichitanand Ashram. This ashram is situated nearby Neelkant temple, and the distance would be around 26 kilometers from Tapovan, and I will go on foot. I will try to show some glimpse of my journey. I'll see you. Swamiji takes workshop on shadow work in the light of yoga. Swamiji teaches Kriya Yoga as well. His guru is Anandagiri. Swamiji came to India around 30 years ago. Swamiji has been living in eco-friendly ashram. This is called Himalayan Hermitage Ashram. It is very eco-friendly ashram. We will see. I have covered around 12 kilometers and I have to go further at least 10 kilometers. I have already met Swamiji at Tapovan 2 weeks ago and I was very much impressed with him, and I was invited by him. That is why I am going to his ashram. I have already crossed Neelkant Mandir and I am about to reach Swami's ashram. I think it is about 1 kilometer far from here. I have been walking for 7 hours continuously and now I am just about to reach Swami's ashram. I have reached here and the view is very beautiful. You can see Ganga Ji, you can see Himalaya. It's very beautiful place. We can enjoy the nature from here itself.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Well, the way I'm living, first of all, this is a truly eco-friendly ashram as much as we can. I mean, sometimes some plastic does come here, unfortunately. We do our best. But at this point, we don't have an electric connection. It's solar. We had the wind turbine. We don't have it right now. It needs repair. But I lived in large ashrams for 16 years. I lived in Shivananda Ashram. I'm a Swami of Shivananda Ashram, Rishikesh, the one founded by Swami Shivananda himself. And my guru, Swami Chidananda, the successor of Swami Shivananda in his organization. And before that, I was in Yogananda's ashrams in California, Self-Realization Fellowship, the organization founded by him. And so I lived, these are large institutions, and I had enough of living in big institutions. And I felt that Swamis are professing nonviolence. That's one of the core. This is actually a Jain concept that Hinduism has adopted very strongly. And they weren't living nonviolently towards the earth if they're living in big institutions. And I felt we should be an example. If we want to be spiritual teachers, I think we should live in a way that reflects what we're really teaching.
How do you know where it's at?
Yeah. It's video, sir. Just 1 minute video, sir. Say hi, sir.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Ram Ram.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Yeah, Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah.
Leave all useless things
Okay.
and attach only to God.
Yes.